Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Ultimate Guide to Service Batteries and Cables 2024. Are you tired of dealing with frequent battery issues in your car, boat, or industrial equipment? Properly serviced batteries and cables can make a world of difference in performance and reliability. In 2024, advancements in technology have made maintaining these vital components easier and more efficient than ever. We'll explore the latest trends and innovations in battery and cable servicing. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, this guide will help you keep your systems running smoothly. Say goodbye to unexpected failures and hello to improved longevity and efficiency. Keep reading to learn how to stay ahead with the best practices and tools available today. What are service batteries? Service batteries are crucial components used to power various vehicles and equipment. They provide the necessary energy to start engines, power electrical systems, and support onboard electronics. Understanding the different types of service batteries and their key features can help you make an informed decision when choosing the right battery for your needs. Types of service batteries. When it comes to service batteries, there are several options to consider. Each type has its own strengths and is suited for different applications. Lead-acid batteries. Lead-acid batteries are the most common type of service battery. They are widely used for their reliability and affordability. Applications. Ideal for cars, boats, and other vehicles. Benefits. Cost-effective, easy to find, and recyclable. Lithium-ion batteries. Lithium-ion batteries are known for their lightweight and high energy density. Applications. Frequently used in modern electric vehicles and portable equipment. Benefits. Longer lifespan, faster charging, and low maintenance. AGM, absorbent glass mat, batteries. AGM batteries are a type of lead-acid battery but with enhanced features. Applications. Suitable for high-performance vehicles and heavy-duty applications. Benefits. Spill-proof, maintenance-free, and better performance under high loads. Key features to consider. Choosing the right service battery involves looking at several key features. Paying attention to these will ensure you pick a battery that meets your specific needs. Capacity. The capacity of a battery, measured in ampere hours, indicates how much energy it can store. Higher capacity means longer runtime. Discharge rate. This refers to how quickly a battery can deliver power. High discharge rates are essential for applications that require a burst of energy, such as starting an engine. Lifespan. Different batteries have varying lifespans. Lithium-ion batteries typically offer the longest life, while lead-acid batteries may need more frequent replacement. Maintenance needs. Some batteries, like AGM and lithium-ion, require little to no maintenance. In contrast, traditional lead-acid batteries may need regular checks and water top-ups. Understanding these key features can help you select the best service battery for your needs, ensuring reliability and performance for your vehicle or equipment. Understanding battery cables. Battery cables are essential for the electrical system in your vehicle or machinery. They connect the battery to the rest of the electrical system, making sure that power flows where it needs to go. Well-built battery cables ensure reliable starts and smooth operation. Poor quality or improperly sized cables can lead to performance issues and even damage. Types of battery cables. Knowing the different types of battery cables is crucial for choosing the right one for your needs. There are mainly two types of materials used, copper and aluminum. Copper battery cables. Advantages. High conductivity. Copper wires conduct electricity very well, making them highly efficient. Durability. Copper is resistant to corrosion and can handle high temperatures. Flexibility. Copper cables are flexible, which makes them easy to install. Disadvantages. Cost. Copper is more expensive than aluminum. Weight. Copper cables are heavier, which may be a concern in applications where weight is a factor. Aluminum battery cables. Advantages. Cost-effective. Aluminum cables are cheaper than copper ones. Lightweight. They are lighter, making them easier to handle and install. Disadvantages. Lower conductivity. Aluminum does not conduct electricity as efficiently as copper. Corrosion-prone. Aluminum can corrode more quickly, requiring extra care during installation. Less durable. They are more prone to damage and less flexible. Choosing between copper and aluminum will depend on your specific needs, including budget and performance requirements. Cable sizing and specifications. Determining the proper size for your battery cables is essential for ensuring they can handle the power load. Here's what you need to consider. Current draw. The amount of current, measured in amperes, that your system will draw is a key factor. Higher current draws require thicker cables. Distance. The length of the cable run affects the resistance. Longer cables need to be thicker to reduce electrical losses. Follow these steps to choose the correct cable size. Calculate the current draw. Add up the maximum current requirements of all the devices that will be powered. Measure the distance. Determine the length of cable needed to connect the battery to your devices. Consult a cable size chart. Use the current draw and distance to find the recommended cable size. These charts are widely available and straightforward to use. For example, if you need a cable for a short run in a high-amp system, you might choose a 1/0 gauge copper cable. On the other hand, a lower amp system with a long run might use a 2-gauge aluminum cable. By selecting the right type and size of battery cables, you ensure safe and efficient operation of your electrical systems. Technological advancements in 2024. As we leap into 2024, battery and cable technology continue to impress with groundbreaking innovations. From smart batteries that monitor their own health to new materials that make cables more efficient and lighter, the future is now. Let's dive into the key advancements. Smart battery technology. Smart batteries are becoming the norm. These batteries come with built-in systems that can monitor their performance and provide diagnostics. Imagine a battery that tells you how much life it has left or when it's time for a checkup. Performance tracking. These smart systems can measure how well the battery is working. You'll know if it's running at full power or if there are issues that might need attention. Diagnostics. Just like a car's dashboard warning lights, these batteries can alert you to problems before they become serious. Whether it's a drop in voltage or a rise in temperature, you'll be in the know. Efficiency. Smart batteries help to optimize power usage, making them more efficient. This means longer battery life and better performance. The best part? These features are built right into the battery. You don't need any additional gadgets or tools to access this information. It's all at your fingertips, making battery management easier than ever. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll explore battery cables, the latest technological advancements, and essential maintenance tips. Don't miss it. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.